Hi students, welcome back to today's class. Now we are going to see about unit 4, that is entrepreneurial skills. Okay. So introduction, entrepreneurship is being talked about a lot in the world today and especially in India. So entrepreneurship is the type of self-employment where one is running a business to satisfy the needs of the people and looking for the ways to make the business better to make the profits. Okay. So entrepreneurship means what? It is a kind of self-employment where one a person can be running a business and to satisfy the need of the people, and he'll be looking for the ways to make the business better or making more profits. Okay, so this unit focuses on encouraging students to learn about entrepreneurship and its functions from the world around them. So entrepreneurs all around us are all around us. We would have spoken to a lot of them through the course of this module. Okay, so we also learned that successful entrepreneurs have the following qualities. Okay, they are confident, they believe in themselves and their abilities, they keep trying new ideas in their business, they are patient, and they are creative and think differently about business ideas, and they take responsibility for their actions, and they take decisions after thinking about them, and they work hard, they do not give up when they face the difficulty. So these are the qualities of the entrepreneurs. Okay, session 1 is going to speak about entrepreneurship and society. Okay, so we learned last year that the two ways in which one can earn a living are through wage employment and the self-employment. So wage employed people are the people who work for a person or organization, and they will be getting paid for that work. So whatever work they are doing, they'll be getting paid for that work. So that is only known as wage employed people. So self-employed people means what? They are only called as entrepreneurs. So self-employed people are those who start businesses to satisfy the needs of the people. So self-employed person who is always trying to make his or her business better by taking risks and trying new ideas is an entrepreneur. So who is an entrepreneur? Self-employed persons only, who is always trying to make his business better by taking risks and and trying new ideas also. Okay, so example, Ramya and Ramu both own plant shops. Okay, both are having plant shop, and Ramu sits at his shop every day. When customers come, he sells to them. Ramya walks around and gets customers to her shop. She also sells seeds and flowers with her plants. So whatever she is getting from the plants, like seeds and flowers, that also she is selling. So Ramya is working to do more and grow her business. She has also added a different idea to her business. But if you think at Ramu's side, Ramu always sit at his shop every day, and whenever customers comes, he will sell the plant. Okay, but he's not using the innovative idea like selling seeds and flowers with the plants. Okay, so Ramya here is called as entrepreneur, and Ramu is a businessman. Okay, so you have identified entrepreneurs around you. Where do these entrepreneurs do their business? Normally entrepreneurs run their businesses in a market. So the market has people who buy products and services and people who sell them also, and people who sell them also will be available in the market. Then the market will be having two kinds of people: the people who is buying the products and services, and people who sell them also. So when people are buying and selling from each other, it is helpful for everyone, because everyone involved, every person is involved in order to make the money. Okay, so this is how entrepreneurs helps in growing the area and society they live in. Okay, so here we can see one example. Aditi has a store where she sells different types of shampoos. She has many customers. She buys the shampoos in large quantities from a woman. There are two men who work in the store to help her sell. Okay, Aditi is helping people in her area to make money. That is two men. No, they got the job because of this Aditi, and she is also increasing jobs in her area. Aditi is helping the people in the society around her to live better. Okay, so what do entrepreneurs do when they run their business? They'll be fulfilling their customers' needs and use local materials. They'll be helping the society. They'll be creating more jobs, and they will be sharing wealth with the persons who are linked with their business. And then lower price of products, will be there. Okay, and these are the some of the things which is done by the entrepreneurs. Okay, so the entrepreneurs do when they run their, what the entrepreneurs do when they run the business. Okay, first one is fulfill customer needs. Okay, so demand means a product or service that people want, that is only known as demand. What is maybe demand? it is a product or service that people want. So entrepreneurs find out what people want, then they use their creativity, innovation to come up with a business idea that will meet the demand. Okay, so use local materials. Entrepreneurs use the materials and people available around them to make the products at low cost. Okay, so they will not hire people from outside longer area and all. They will be hiring people around them, and they will be using the local materials in order to make the products at a lower cost. Okay, so help society. Entrepreneurs have positive relationship with the society. They make profits through activities that benefit the society. And some entrepreneurs work towards saving the environment also. They will be giving some money to build schools and hospitals. This way the people and the area around them becomes better. Okay, so the people and area who's surrounded by the entrepreneur will be benefited because of the entrepreneur. Okay, so these are the roles that entrepreneurs do in a society. How do you think entrepreneurs affect the society they live in? Okay, now they are creating jobs also. So with the growth of business, entrepreneurs look for more people to help them, so they buy more material and from more people. They also hire more people to work for them, so in this way more people have the jobs. Okay, sharing of wealth. Wealth means having enough money to live a comfortable life. What is meant by wealth? Having enough money to live a comfortable life. As entrepreneurs grow their business, the people working for them and in related businesses also grow. So who is working for them and who is related with their business, everyone will be growing along with them. Okay, so that is only known as sharing of wealth. So he may have more money to live a better quality life. Okay, so lower price of products. As more entrepreneurs sell the same product, the price of the product will be go down. Okay, for example, when more mobile phones were getting sold in India, the cost of the phone became lesser. So let's learn about the role of entrepreneurs in society by reading Bharti's story. Okay, Bharti, the jewelry queen. Okay, so Bharti is a young woman from Bihar. Many girls in her area like to wear earrings. So many girls in her area, they are liking to wear earrings. She buys jute from a farmer, local farmer, and makes earrings from that. Her business is called Manavi Natural Handicrafts. Okay, so she sees that most women in her village do not work, so they are not at all working, most of the women in her village. So she hires two women to help her. As her order increases, she buys more jute from the farmer. She hires three more women to work for her. So the farmer and the woman who working for her now earning more money. Okay, so they are able to save money for their future. And do you think Bharti is an entrepreneur? Yes, of course. Okay, so what are the questions we are going to have about Bharati's business? And we need to find out the answers from for each question. Okay, so what demand did Bharati identify in her village? We have three options. Okay, what demand, okay, did Bharati identify in her village? So Bharati identified girls in her area liked to wear earrings. Okay, what is this local resource that Bharati used? She has used jute in order to make the handicrafts. Okay, that is the earrings and all. And how is Bharati helping her village grow? Okay, so both options are correct only. By buying jute from the local farmer who can now earn more money, and by providing jobs to local women. So both A and B is the answer for this. How was she creating more jobs? Okay, by providing jobs to local women. Okay, how was she creating more jobs? By buying jute from local farmer. The third is the option, that is by providing jobs to the local woman, she is creating more jobs. So we have read how entrepreneurs help in the growth of the society around them. Let's try it out ourselves now. Okay. So with this session one is over. Now next we are going to move on to session two. Okay, qualities and functions of an entrepreneur. This we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you.